Namaste, I am JVN Dr. Priyanka. Today I will discuss about tomato cultivation. Tomato botanical name, also known as Lycopersicon esculentum and family Solanaceae, and it has prominent place in human food, and a brief account of its cultivation is given below. And origin Peru. An important cultivar of the tomato improved variety Arka Soro, Arka Vikas, Arka Asis, Arka Abha, Arka Alok, Hishar Arun, Hishar Lalima, Hishar Lalit, Hishar Anmol, Narendra, Pusha Red Palm, Pusha Early Dwarf, etc. And F1 hybrid of tomato Arka Abhijit, Arka Sista, Arka Vishad, and Arka Varun, Pusha hybrid 1, Pusha hybrid 2, and Vaishali, Rupali, Naveen, etc. And climate requirement for proper tomato cultivation. Tomato is warm season crop and monthly temperature required 21 degree centigrade to 23 degree centigrade. And temperature and light intensity affect the fruit shade and pigmentation and nutritive value of the fruit. Long dry spell and heavy rainfall both show affect the fruit and fruiting quality. Soil. The tomato grow are partially, practically all soil, from light sandy to heavy soil, and proper pH required 6 to 7. And if the soil is acidic, lime is required. And seed rate of tomato for raising the seedling in nursery bed, 300 to 400 gram per hectare seed are required. And hybrid seed are very costly, so it should be sown in plastic cup and ice cube tray, which required only 70 to 90 gram. And time of planting. Tomato is a day neutral plant, so widely if found grown in any season. In the northern plain, three crops are taken, but in frost affected area, Rabi crop is not fruitful. The Kharif crop is transplanted in July and Rabi crop in October and November, and Jaid crop is February month. And next one, in the southern plain where there is no danger of frost, and the first transplanting is done in December and January, and second June to July, and third in September, October, depending upon the irrigation facility available. Rising seedling. First one, seedling are grown before 1 month of transplanting. Raised bed of 60 to 100 centimeter width and is convenient land. And second one, soil solarization of nursery beds. So covered them with white transparent polythene sheet for 1 month. Should be done in hot summer month. It will kill polythene seed for 1 month should be done in hot summer month. It will kill the disease caused organisms like fungus, bacteria, nematode as well as insect and seed of feed. And second one, for 1 meter square of nursery area should 5 kg well rotated FIM and 20 gram of each NPK fertilizer, and also apply 2.5 gram carbofuran and 200 gram of neem cake and 10 to 25 gram trichoderma. And while preparing the nursery bed, neem cake, custard, neem leaf, castor leaf has been incorporated at 400 gram per meter square for protection against nematode. After sowing the seed, mulch with green leaf and irrigate with rose can daily in the morning. Remove the mulch immediately after germination of the seed. Restrict irrigation 1 week before transplanting and irrigate heavily on the seed day of transplanting. Cover the nursery bed with fine nylon net to escape the damage by virus transmitting insect. And seed treatment to avoid damping of disease, treat the seed with trichoderma at 5 to 10 gram per kg seed and carbendazim 2 gram per kg seed. The treatment seed are dried in shade for 30 minutes and then sold separately along with lime. And land preparation. Land is prepared to fine tilled by through plowing and digging 2 to 3 times. At the last plowing, organic manure of 10 kg carbofuran granules and 200 kg neem cake has been applied, and manuring FIM and compost 20 to 25 ton per hectare and NPK 75, 40 and 25 kg per hectare respectively, and half the dose of nitrogen and full phosphorus and potash, and remaining dose of nitrogen applied through top dressing. And transplanting, the transplanting is done in small flatbed or in shallow furrow depending upon the availability of irrigation. If heavy soil, it used for transplanting on ridge and during the rain. Also, it is advantageous to the plant, the seedling or ridges. The indeterminate variety, hybrid and seedling have to be stick using the bamboo stick and 2 meter length or planted in broad ways 90 centimeter width and 15 centimeter height, and spacing. The spacing recommended for the autumn winter crop 75 to 60 centimeter for the spring summer crop and 75 to 45 centimeter. And in irrigation, tomato need very careful irrigation and just sufficient water at the right time. It is necessary to maintain an even moisture supply during summer season, and irrigation and every 5 to 7 day interval of necessary, and in winter 10 to 15 day interval is sufficient. Weed control, most commonly we use weed control by black polythene and mulching of straw, etc. And plant protection, first one gram insect, the first one है gram pod borer, Heliotis anisera. It's a folific insect and attack most of the cultivated crop and major pest of tomato and solaninaceous vegetable. And second one serpentine leaf miner, and third one tobacco caterpillar and root node nematode is widespread all over in the India, affecting most of the vegetable crop of a tomato, brinjal, okra, root node nematode, a small microscopic mass and slender and female spelen. एंड मोर्फोलॉजी है ये निमेटोड की, मेलेडोगाइनी की, द मोस्ट characteristic symptoms of the root in production of root gall. Above ground symptoms are reduced growth, chlorosis of foliage, etc. Insect management, and insect management सभी का एक साथ करेंगे तो करेंगे कि 2 row marigold for every 16 row of tomato can be grown in track row for Helicoverpa armigera, and spray 5% neem cake करने for early stage of larva, and placement of 10 to 20 bird की shape पर the help of imaging insect insect virus bird, and spray MPV and jackery 1 kg and send robit and T-pole to mix with MPV and need basic spray, and application of chocolate of Pongomia, and farmers are the Andhra Pradesh use garlic and chili extract for the insect control. Disease, most common diseases are like fungal, bacterial, and viral disease. First one, bacterial wilt. Pseudomonas solanaceae is deadly disease in tomato, wilting and turning yellow and foliage. Finally, collapse of the entire plants are the characteristic symptoms of the disease. And damping off is very common in nursery stage, and common in many parts of India. Occupying nurseries, tomato, tomato chili, brinjal, cabbage, cauliflower, etc. Young seedling is killed before the emergence to the soil surface, and collar region in grown up plant can rotten and topped of small plant are sown in nursery, and two type of damping of pre-emergence and post-emergence. Early blight, Alternaria sona is most common disease in India, and field fusion oxysporum and tobacco mosaic virus, powdery mildew, spotera and black mold, etc. And disease management, first one, soil solarization and partial sterilization of soil by burning trace of the surface, and seed treatment with trichoderma, field stagnation, crop rotation, and providing better drainage, and uprooting heavily infected virus, and planting and spraying. Thank you.